yourself, man. It's all anyways. Sorry how that YouTubers will fall back down to his list. My brother slapped me in the face, and I bet it's not gonna slap me again. Are you gonna slap me again? Are you gonna slap me again? Are you? Oh! He's putting up the rude finger. Are you trying to... Wait, guys. He's got the finger up, Okay, let's back to the business. Okay, so that phone call was the general manager of this apartment. He said he wanted to kick me out. And I was like, no. So they sent in SWAT team to send off. Oh shit! This is bullshit. Come on, Matt, let's get out of here. Shut. Hey, man, stop recording. Okay, get